Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be installing samurai side skirts on my Hyundai Verna. That's the rubber side skirts. It's a carbon fiber finish. There are some samurai stickers, adhesive promoter and some screws. So that's the carbon fiber finish side skirts. Let me open it and show you. It is long enough to fit in any cars. It is made of durable rubber and carbon fiber print here. Let me open it up. I've got three pieces. This is long enough to fit in the car. Third piece I'll be using in the front bumper. Use a scissor to cut it according to the mud flap. Let me fit it. It will look awesome. As you can see, the side skirt comes with 3M double side tape. It sticks firmly onto the underbody of the car. Just make sure to wash the underbody before sticking the side skirt. I have finished installing the side skirt. Now it's time to cut off the excess. Use a nice pair of scissors. There, it's done. That's it. It's firm enough. The body of the car is very hot and the tape will stick firmly to it. It's a hot sunny day and that looks awesome, pretty awesome. I've raised the car to fix the front lip. I'm using screws at the bends to firmly secure it. It is very important to use washers. Finally, the front lip is done and it is looking awesome. Pretty awesome. The car is getting a nice stance. That's the side skirt and skirt on the rear bumper. Looking pretty awesome. Finally, washing the car and will make it shine. I think the car is looking great. Do drop in your comments. Let me show you the front lip again. It is looking pretty nice. Damn good. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye.